Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mukesh TechUp. In this video tutorial session, I'm going to discuss about the star arguments as well as star keyword arguments. So this is a very important question whenever you are appearing for the interview. So interviewer will ask what is the difference between the arguments as well as the keyword variable length argument. So we will see theoretical part as well as the practical part, and I will show you what is the difference between them. So let's get started the introduction, what is the variable length argument and how we can implement it practically in Python. So a keyword argument is where you provide a name to the variable as you pass it into the function. So somewhere you need a requirement, like if you are passing some argument to a function like some argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, argument 4, and you are passing the parameters when we are calling that function. So sometimes you need to pass the exact name what is belongs to. Suppose a name equals to Mukesh, age equals to 28, and city equals to Jaipur. So these additional argument like name equals to, age equals to, city equals to. So these are the additional parameters that we are passing to the function. So this is the facility or the special kind of functions we are giving into the variable length of argument. This is handling through the star keyword arguments. So let's get started on this one and let's do a hands-on on this. We'll see practically what is that. Hello guys. So already we have seen this theoretical part about the keyword argument. Now let's see how we can implement. So before that, let me give you a brief introduction about some methods and the parameters, how we can pass, how we can assign the values. So here I'm creating one function name, that is person details, and here I'm giving some arguments like the argument 1, argument 2, and after that I'm going to print the argument 1 comma argument 2. Okay, now when I'll call this person method, this person details, the function, so here I have to pass some details like argument 1, let me give my name Mukesh, second parameter is Yadav. Let's compile. See, so we are getting the output as Mukesh Yadav because here I'm giving two arguments, argument 1 and argument 2, and I'm passing same the number of arguments which while calling this function. Okay, now let's see, I'm going to create one function, my function 1, and here I'm taking the argument 1 comma argument 2. Again I'm just sorry, something went wrong here. Define my function. Now let me print here and I'll say argument 1 comma argument 2. Sorry, this is not a string format. Okay, now let me def, what is that, my underscore func. Now let me call this function. Here guys, see, it's a very critical part you need to understand. Here I'm passing some parameter like I'm passing Mukesh, name as Yadav, and company name as Oracle. Here we will get error because it says the my function 1 that is we had defined, it's take only two positional argument, but we are giving while calling this function as 3 arguments, right? So here I pass 3 argument, but instead of that this functions accepts only 2 argument. Here you can see the argument 1 and argument 2. What you can do, the first approach you can do, you can pass one extra argument, argument 3, because you already knows how many parameters you are passing. This time we won't get any error, right? So just to print here you can do argument 3 also, so it will print entire output. But instead of that, what you can do, just defining the argument, here you can do star args, right? And instead of print statement, let me comment this, you can do a for loop for I in args and just print the argument list, right? Now here what you have to do, whatever the amount of argument, the parameters you want to pass, like my age is 24 and contact number is 800 or something something blah blah blah, just pass these arguments and you will see the result here, right? So using the only single star argument, we were taking the number of parameters. But guys, again this is confusing. What is that Mukesh? What is that Yadav? What is Oracle? What is 24? What is this number represents to? So suppose here what you want to do here, you want to specify the extra recognition part, like name equals to, right? Or I can say the first name. Here you can see L name equals to, okay, you can say company equals to, and age equals to, and phone number equals to, okay. So in this manner you has to pass the argument. But if you will run this function here, we will get error, right? See, got an unexpected keyword argument f name, because it's not accepted in the star argument. So instead of that, guys, what you have to do, let me copy this function again, let me rewrite, and here instead of that star arguments, let me make it as double star, okay. After that, what I'll do the same thing which I did here, and you will see the output. So here instead of that, args dot value, one second, I need to check. Yeah, args dot, it's a value, or dict object has no attribute value, then it's items. Yes, so here you can see we got first name equals to Mukesh, last name equals to Yadav, company equals to Oracle, age equals to 24, and phone number equals to this one. If we are using the star keyword arguments, right? So this is known as keyword argument. So whatever the arguments we are passing here, f name equals to this, last name equals to this, so this is known as keyword argument. And guys, this is very very important. Sometimes in the, again, the requirement is you need to pass one different parameter, like model equals to, or you can say car model equals to, I can say the 2020, okay. Then you need not to do anything inside the base function. Only the correction part is you have to pass the additional parameter. If that function is handles or the accepts the keyword argument, then if you will run this function again, you will see model equals to 2020. So this is very important, guys. You need to understand this keyword argument as well as the non-keyword argument, that is star argument. So in the star arguments you can match, but you can't provide the keyword argument while calling the function. But this is the advantage over the non-keyword argument with keyword argument. So thank you so much guys for watching.